You are most welcome to the Shakil Habib English class. My dear friends, today I have come with this short video before you for teaching you some daily use English sentences. Before I start, I would like to tell you that English is a must for us all, for developing ourselves, for developing our families, as well as for developing our nation, our country. My dear friends, without English, today there is no way you cannot stand anywhere. So, my dear friends, it is must, it is necessary for us all that we should have knowledge of English. We should speak English fluently, that we can get our place, our space anywhere in this world. So, my dear friends, I have come with this video that I may teach you some daily use English sentences, and with those sentences, you can also develop so many sentences by your own with practice. Let's start, my dear friend. First sentence is your don't talk so much. Don't talk so much. The meaning of this sentence is itna mat bolo. If you want to tell anyone itna mat bolo, at the place you can use this sentence, don't speak so much. Itna mat bolo. Next sentence is your I'll be over in a minute. I'll be over in a minute. Suppose you are going to somewhere, मान लिया आप कहीं जा रहे हैं, एंड किसी ने आपसे पूछा कितनी देर में आओगे. At the time, at the place, you can tell him or her, I'll be over in a minute. मैं 1 मिनट में आ जाऊंगा. Next sentence is I'm with you all the way. Suppose someone is in trouble. मान लिया कोई परेशानी में है, कोई दिक्कत में है, and he or she needs your help, your support, and she or he is in trouble. He or she is worried about your support, about your help, and he or she is asking you about your support, about your help. Then you can say him or her that I am with you all the way. मैं हर तरह से आपके साथ हूं. I am with you all the way. मैं हर तरह से आपके साथ हूं. If you want to tell this anywhere, you can use this sentence, I am with you all the way. Next sentence is he is so stubborn. He is so stubborn. वह बहुत जिद्दी है. If someone is जिद्दी, you can use this sentence there at the place very easily. He is so stubborn. वो बहुत जिद्दी है. Next sentence is don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. बहाने मत बनाओ. If you want to tell anyone, बहाने मत बनाओ, you can use this sentence emphatically, frequently, easily. Don't make excuses. Next sentence is I need a little help. I need a little help. मुझे थोड़ी मदद की ज़रूरत है. If you want to tell मुझे थोड़ी मदद की ज़रूरत है, you can use this sentence I need a little help. Next sentence is anything takes time. Anything takes time. If somebody is asking you that how long will it take, कितना समय लगेगा इसमें किसी काम में, you can use this sentence at the place. You can say him or her that anything takes time. किसी भी चीज में समय लगता है. किसी भी चीज में समय लगता है. Next sentence is talk to you later. If someone wants to talk to you and you are busy at the time, at the moment, then you can reply him or her that talk to you later. Talk to you later. Next sentence is I'm in hurry. मैं जल्दी में हूँ. If you are in a hurry and anyone is stopping you for something, you can reply him and go by with this sentence. I'm in a hurry. मैं जल्दी में हूँ. Next sentence is no one listens to me. No one listens to me. मेरी बात कोई नहीं सुनता. मेरी बात कोई नहीं सुनता. Generally, such Hindi sentences are used in every house, in every family. मेरी बात कोई नहीं सुनता. Especially from the side of the guardian. You can listen such sentence. मेरी बात कोई नहीं सुनता. So at the moment, at the place, you can use this sentence. No one listens to me. मेरी बात कोई नहीं सुनता. Next sentence is I know everything. मुझे सब पता है. If you know everything and if someone is unknown about it, you can tell him I know everything. मुझे सब पता है. I know everything. Next sentence is have you ever been to there? If you want to ask anybody, क्या आप कभी वहां गए हैं? You can ask like this with this sentence. Have you ever been to there? क्या आप कभी वहां गए हैं? Next is I have never been to there. If the person you are asking from has never been to there, he can reply to you in this way. I have never been to there. मैं वहां कभी नहीं गया हूं. Next sentence is don't play your parents false. अपने माँ बाप को धोखा मत दो. If you want to tell this, अपने माँ बाप को धोखा मत दो, you can use this sentence. Don't play your parents false. Don't play your parents false. अपने माँ बाप को धोखा मत दो. Next sentence is I can also learn English. मैं भी इंग्लिश सीख सकता हूँ. Yes, you can also learn English. Yes, you can also learn English. And this is the truth that nobody has come on this earth learned. Everybody has come on this earth after he or she has learned something. That's why now is your turn to learn. And you must have confidence in yourself, that you can also learn many things here. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe this channel, that you should get my such videos regularly. Thank you very much.